If Google Gemini is not creating images, keeps showing an error, says you have reached the image limit, or simply gives text instead of an image, this video will show you what to check and how to fix it. The problem can happen because of app cache, account limits, unsupported settings, a blocked prompt, or a temporary issue with Gemini itself. In this guide, you will learn the practical steps to clear the problem, test your account, fix the app, and understand what to do when image generation still does not work. Number 1. Understand the problem. When Google Gemini does not create images, the problem usually shows up in one of a few ways. You may see a message like, "Sorry, I can't generate more images for you today." Or Gemini may answer with text instead of giving you an image. Sometimes the Create Image option does not appear. The image keeps loading, the app freezes, or Gemini says it cannot help with that request. Before changing settings, first understand what kind of problem you have. If Gemini says you reached the image limit for today, that is usually not a phone problem. It means your account has reached a temporary usage limit. In that case, clearing the app may not instantly give you more generations on the same account. You may need to wait until the limit resets. But if the app is stuck, the image button is missing, or Gemini worked before and suddenly stopped, then the issue may be caused by the app cache, an old session, a bad connection, a VPN, an account problem, or an unsupported request. Number 2. Check the basic requirements. Start with the simple things first, because many Gemini image problems happen before the prompt even reaches the image model. Make sure you are signed in to the Gemini app with a normal Google account. If you are using a school or work account, some image tools may be blocked by the organization. Next, check that Gemini is available in your country, and that image generation is supported for your account. Gemini text chat may work in many places, but image generation can still have extra limits depending on region, language, age, and account type. Also make sure the Gemini app is updated from the Google Play Store or the App Store. An outdated app can show missing buttons, failed uploads, or old interface problems. If you are using Gemini in a browser, refresh the page, try another browser, or open Gemini in a private window to test if browser extensions are causing the issue. Also turn off VPN, proxy, private DNS, or ad blocking tools temporarily, because they can sometimes interfere with Gemini loading images or sending image requests correctly. Number 3. Fix the app cache. If Gemini opens normally but image generation is not working, the next step is to clear the app cache. On Android, open your phone settings, then go to Apps, find Gemini and open Storage. First tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your Google account. After that, close Gemini completely and open it again. If the problem is still there, go back to the same Gemini app settings and tap Force Stop. Confirm it, then reopen Gemini and try a new image prompt. If the issue still does not go away, you can use Clear Data or Clear Storage. But understand what this means. It resets the local app data on your phone, so you may need to sign in again. It does not delete your Google account, but it can remove local app settings from that device. This step is useful when Gemini is stuck in a broken session, when buttons do not load correctly, or when the app keeps showing the same error even after restarting. Number 4. Start a new chat. After clearing cache or force stopping the app, do not continue inside the same old conversation right away. Tap New Chat and test Gemini with a simple image request. Use a basic prompt like, "Create an image of a modern laptop on a clean desk with natural light." Keep the prompt short and clear. If this works, the old conversation may have been the problem. Long chats can sometimes confuse the request, especially if there were many uploaded files, many corrections, or earlier blocked prompts. If Gemini is giving text instead of an image, use clear action words. Say, "Create an image," or "Generate an image," not just "Make this better," or "Show me." If you are editing an uploaded photo, tap the Add File button, choose the image from your gallery, and then write exactly what you want changed. But remember, some edits can be limited, especially requests involving real people, faces, copyrighted characters, unsafe content, or anything that breaks Gemini's rules. If Gemini refuses one prompt, try a safer and simpler version instead of repeating the same blocked request again and again. Number 5. Try another account carefully. If the app works but your account keeps showing the message that it cannot generate more images today, you may have reached the daily image limit on that account. In this situation, one practical test is switching to another Google account that is already signed in on your device. Open Gemini, tap your profile picture, choose another Google account, and tap Use Gemini. Then start a new chat and try the same simple image prompt. If image generation works on the second account, the first account may be limited, restricted, or temporarily out of image generations. If it still does not work on the second account, the problem is more likely related to the app, device, network, country, prompt, or Gemini service itself. Do not use fake age information, suspicious accounts, or VPN tricks to bypass restrictions. That can create more problems and may still not unlock the feature. The goal is only to test whether the issue is connected to one specific Google account or to the Gemini app in general. Number 6. Check the prompt and final result. A common mistake is thinking Gemini is broken when the real issue is the prompt. If your prompt is too vague, too complex, or asks for restricted content, Gemini may refuse or answer with text. Keep your image prompt direct. Mention the subject, style, background, lighting, and important details in one clean sentence. For example, say, create a realistic image of a blue smartphone on a white table, bright studio lighting, simple background. If you upload a picture, make sure the file is clear, not corrupted, and not too large. If Gemini keeps loading, switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi, or from Wi-Fi to mobile data. After you fix the issue, test 3 things. First, generate a brand new image from text. Second, upload a simple image and ask for a small edit. Third, download or save the result to make sure the full workflow works. If none of these steps work, update Gemini again, restart your phone, reinstall the app, or try Gemini from the web version. If the same problem continues on multiple accounts, multiple networks, and multiple devices, then it may be a temporary Gemini server issue or a limitation on your region or account, not something you can fully fix from your phone.